If you want to hide photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you have two main ways to do so. You can either use the secure folder feature, or you can use the Files app by Google if it's actually installed. I believe it is not installed, so you will have to install it from the Play Store. So what we can do is, if you go to the settings and if you scroll down to security and privacy, then here we can go to more security settings, and here we have secure folder. So if you tap on it, you will set it up. Let's press continue. First, we need to wait like a minute or so for the device to create the secure folder. After that, we have to set up the password. So let's press done. Over here, we can choose one of these three types. So let's say I'm gonna choose a simple PIN code. There we go. Let's press continue. All right. Of course, we can also use Samsung account in order to be able to recover access to the secure folder in case you lose or forget the password. So if you want to, you can allow it. I'm not gonna do that. Then let's press OK, and let's go next. And after that, you should be able to see the secure folder, as you can see over here, with the gallery inside. So this is the separate gallery. This is like a private gallery compared to the one that we have outside of the secure folder. So now if you open the gallery, the main one, from the home screen or the app screen, then here we can select photos that we wish to hide, or videos, of course. So you can press and hold your finger in order to select the first item, and then you can keep selecting everything that you wish to hide. We can tap more in the bottom right corner, and then we have the option to move to secure folder. And after that, there we go, we are moving items to secure folder, and it is done. So now we can go to the secure folder, which we can find in the app screen. And if I open the gallery over here, as you can see, I have these photos and videos. Of course, the secure folder requires password, so we can tap on these three dots in order to, for example, lock and exit. And then if I try to access these private photos, then if I open the secure folder, I have to enter the password. And only then I have the gallery, or access to the gallery, the private one. And if you want to remove something from the secure folder, then we can press and hold, select it, then we can press more, and we can choose to move out of secure folder. And the other method is by using Files app by Google, but unfortunately, like I said, it is unfortunately not pre-installed on this phone. Therefore, we need to go to the Play Store. Let's search, and let's type Files. There we go, and this is the app that we are looking for. And it is a little bit more convenient to actually use it because it doesn't require us to enable the secure folder or anything like that. The private folder, or actually the safe folder, is built within the app itself. So let's wait for the app to be installed, and then we can open it. Let's press continue. Of course, we need to allow permissions. All right, so now if we go to images, for example, we should be able to find all images. And actually, if we are in the main menu here, we have the save folder, so we can tap on it in order to set up the save folder. I'm gonna choose a pin once again. Let's press next, confirm. Okay, and now here, if we go back to images or videos, of course, we can do the same thing. We can press and hold and then select everything that we wish to hide. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner, choose move to save folder, enter the password, and there we go. The files are moved. So in order to find them, you need to go to the save folder first, enter the password, press next, and there we go. Here are all hidden items. Not only photos and videos, but you can also hide pretty much everything that you have in this app. So also downloads, audio files, and so on. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.